Royal Enfield has issued a recall for over 2.3 lakh motorcycle units sold by the brand in India and overseas. The recall is due to a possible faulty ignition coil which was discovered during routine internal testing. According to the Chennai-based two-wheeler manufacturer, the faulty ignition coil can cause misfiring, reduced vehicle performance and in rare cases an electric short circuit. A total of 2,36,966 units of the Classic 350, the Meteor 350 and Bullet models are part of the brand's latest recall. The Meteor 350 motorcycles that are part of the recall have been manufactured between December 2020 and April 2021. Similarly, Classic and Bullet models manufactured and sold between January 2021 and April 2021 are part of the recall. The company has also issued a correction procedure as well. All affected motorcycles will undergo inspection and replacement of the said defective part if required. Royal Enfield estimates that less than 10% of these motorcycle models will require the replacement of the ignition coil. As mentioned before, the recall is not limited to just the Indian market. Other markets include Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, Australia and New Zealand and Malaysia. Affected Royal Enfield customers in all these countries will be contacted by either the service team or local dealerships to rectify the issue. Consumers can also proactively reach out to their local Royal Enfield workshops or dealerships and provide the vehicle identification number VIN to check if their motorcycle is part of the recall. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.